Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Create a daily study blueprint that balances reading, practice, and review to Masterclass 10 Science. Study science 2 hours daily with one 30-minute focus session and one 90-minute deep session. Begin with 20 minutes of concept review, 60 minutes of problem solving, and 30 minutes of active recall. Plan a 7-day cycle that covers theory, problem practice, and a 30-minute review each day. Use a weekly checklist and aim for 80% comprehension on each topic before moving to the next topic to avoid gaps. Adopt active methods. Read a concept, close the book, and explain it aloud to yourself or a peer. Use active recall and spaced repetition with reviews at 48 hours and 7 days for long-term retention. Use flashcards and self-quizzing for formulas and definitions. Solve 50 past questions per chapter and simulate timed tests of 90 minutes with full papers to build stamina and exam strategy. Track accuracy. Target 85% accuracy in practice to predict exam performance, and adjust weak topics immediately after each test. For practicals, rehearse lab procedures twice weekly and keep a log of observations, steps, and common errors to reduce mistakes. Practice lab procedures twice weekly and record results for each experiment to master practical skills. Review apparatus and safety rules before tests. In the last 6 days, focus on formula sheets, quick concept maps, and daily 3-hour revision blocks that prioritize high-weight chapters and error correction. Sleep 8 hours before the exam, arrive early, and use the first 15 minutes to plan answers and allocate time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.